It's very clear to me that the people involved in organizing this university from its founding wanted to have a caring, compassionate place.
I'm really blessed by getting to work with colleagues who respect what I do, and I really appreciate what they do.
If an environment is created where somebody doesn't feel welcome here and they leave, that hurts the institution. That hurts our teaching mission, our research mission, and our service mission.
There's a lot of programs and initiatives where campus provides a safe space for folks to just talk about different topics openly.
Make sure that it also is not just words, but it also is reflected in their actions, where they're making sure that people of diverse backgrounds are given leadership roles.
We have wonderful leadership with emphasis on compassion and inclusivity that express it freely and open and often.
I think it's important to have summits like the Male Ally Summits because it provides a safe space for folks to talk openly about what it means to be an ally.
We're going to be very successful in balancing out our faculty based on gender and getting to the point where we don't even need to worry about whether or not we have male or female faculty. We just have strong faculty of all genders and races.
Personally, I think it's very hard to create or to modify the environment if it's only the women who are pushing for a change. We need male allies to advocate on our behalf as well.
I think part of the commitment to the guiding values comes from every male dean and the provost and the chancellor committed to going to one of the workshops.
We all need support to do our best, and UWM has a strong sense of community, and I'm proud to be a part of that.